Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Welcome back to my channel. This is your daily news report and fourth stimulus check update. With the crisis still ongoing, a fourth round of stimulus payments could arrive in the pockets of millions of Americans very soon. There is a way for eligible Americans to claim a new relief check. Also, this coming Friday, I will be giving away more Walmart gift cards. For more details on how to enter the giveaway, please make sure to watch until the end of this video. Thank you so much, everyone. The July and August payments have been sent out, but there is still more checks coming to millions of American families for the rest of 2021. The first payment arrived on July 15th, and the second just under a month later on August 13th. So far, up to $600 per child has been sent out. For a small group of people, the money will not have arrived yet. Most likely, this will be people who are receiving the credit by mailed check, but we have an article to address worries about checks arriving too late. In its current format, a payment will be sent out every month. The next one is on September 15th, and the one after is on October 15th, and so on and so forth. In a total, up to $1,800 will be sent out by the end of 2021 per child. Importantly, there is no limit on the number of eligible children, meaning large families will not be put at a disadvantage compared to smaller ones. When the final payment of 2021 is sent on December 15th, monthly payments will come to an end. This is due to complexities in how our taxes are paid and how Congress organizes financial plans. This does not mean payments are ending. Only the form that they will arrive in is different. The final 6 months of the first year of the credit will arrive as a lump sum, which comes in the submission of people's tax returns for 2021. For those not on the scheme or have chosen to opt out, this means that anyone who signs up before the deadline of the end of the tax year will be eligible to receive the credit as a lump sum. The size of the credit depends on how many months they missed. The key word for this video, everyone, is sweater. Please make sure to comment this in the comment section below. President Biden has staked a lot of political capital in the child tax credit, and Democrats are hoping and pushing for it to be extended beyond 2022. Supporters of the credit are optimistic that it will have a positive impact on both middle and lower income families. Child tax credits have existed before the crisis, but not on such a wide scale and for so many people. A recent study attributed the child tax credit to keeping 3 million children out of poverty. Research centers have already begun assessing how effective the credits have been so far. Polls conducted before and just after the arrival of the first child tax credit payments showed a quick drop in food insufficiency and trouble paying household expenses. The Biden administration have yet to pass a direct legislation regarding a fourth stimulus check. A fourth stimulus check has been on top of many Americans' minds this year. The federal government has distributed 3 rounds of stimulus payments. The first payment was distributed in March 2020, in the early days of the crisis, where eligible individuals received up to $1,200. The second check of $600 came in December 2020, and the third round of payments were distributed in March 2021, where eligible individuals received up to $1,400. Governor Gavin Newsom signed into law his $100 billion California Comeback Plan, which includes another round of Golden State stimulus checks. The proposal, initiated by Newsom, aims to stimulate the economy and provide support for struggling residents. The payments also come as the governor faces a recall election. The bill is the second time this year that both chambers in California have approved a round of stimulus checks. The first part of the stimulus bill, passed in February 2021, sent $600 to low-income residents. The first part of the stimulus bill, which was passed in February 2021, sent $600 to low-income residents who earn less than $30,000 per year. The bill enacted in July will send a $600 check to all those in the state with an income of $75,000 a year or less. Those who receive the check during the first round are ineligible to receive another $600 payment. However, 2 groups, adults with dependents and undocumented families, will be able to claim one additional $500 check. You can check exactly how much your household will receive by using the Golden State Stimulus Second Amount online tool. So everyone, that's the end of the video for this morning. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining me here today. Remember that this coming Friday, I will be announcing the winners of my Walmart gift card giveaway. To enter my video, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment the keyword of the day below. Please know that there will be a keyword in each video for a total of 17 keywords. Whomever has the most correct keywords entered by this Friday's video will be automatically placed in the giveaway. Thank you so much, everyone, and have a blessed Tuesday.
Good afternoon. There are three things I want to speak briefly today with you all about. The new milestone in our progress against COVID-19 here at home, steps we're taking to fight COVID internationally, and an important tax cut for families with children under the age of 18. And that's where I'm going to start. Today is tax day, when everyone's taxes are due. No one likes to pay taxes, I know. But my dad used to say it's a small price to live in this country. But I want to tell everyone with children why, as they're filing their taxes today, they should know that a new tax cut will be coming their way for working class and middle class folks, and very soon. As everyone knows, we firmly believe the need to make our tax system work for the middle class. That's why I think we should ask corporations in the top 1% to start paying their fair share, and why we should crack down on millionaires and billionaires who escape taxes by cheating. But I also think we need to give ordinary families a break, a tax break, to help them with the cost of raising their kids. Most people don't know it, but for families with children, we put that tax cut into the American Rescue Plan, which was signed not long ago. And I signed the tax cut into law in March. 90% of the families, all middle class and working class families, will get this tax cut. It's a one-year cut that reduces your taxes by $3,000 a year for each child you have under the age of 18. 2 kids, it's a $6,000 tax cut. And if those kids are under the age of 6, they'll actually get $3,600 per child. So, as you file your taxes today, know that your tax cut is coming. But here's the great news. You won't have to wait until your next year's tax return to get that break. I'm announcing today that on July 15th and the 15th of every month thereafter throughout the year, you will get deposited in your bank account half of your tax cut, at least $250 per child each month, a direct deposit into your account. So if you're a working family with 2 kids, you're going to get $500 a month into your bank account on the 15th of every month starting July. We're getting